Hello everyone. Every day we see new headlines about the effect of COVID-19 has on the industry. It has put us all in a state of uncertainty about the job market and industry prospects. But this isn't the first time we have faced this situation. Back in 2008, it was a similar situation when the recession happened. Nobody knew what the future was going to be like. But if you look back, you will know that the industry bounced back. That is because we focused upon the technologies of the future, to make a better decision. Technovids has introduced the right skills, to be learned for the upcoming future. It is to help professionals learn the right skills in their domain and future-proof their career. We have launched sets of different skills, which will be in great demand for the near future. Technovids has been ranked one of the best institutes, with exceptional faculty, dedicated learning support, a comprehensive curriculum and career assistance. The program is designed for working professionals and freshers as online instructor-led training. A dedicated learning and development company. Technovids. Join now to be the change.